Using mail merge to send bulk email messages. Mail merge is a word processing tool that allows you to create personalized documents for multiple recipients using information from a data source. For example, you can use mail merge to create form letters that address each recipient by name or to mass produce mailing labels. In this demonstration, I am going to show you how to create a mail merge to send bulk email messages. To begin, open up a Word document and then go to the Mailings tab. Once you're in the Mailings tab, select Start Mail Merge. Notice that there are different options to choose from, but I'm going to continue with email messages. Then you'll draft your email and then move on to the Select Recipients option. Notice that there's 3 different options to select from. Since I already have a saved contact list, I'm going to select Use an Existing List, and then I'm going to import it. My list was created in an Excel spreadsheet. So let me retrieve that and then continue. I have 2 names on my list, Jeanette and Susan. So what I'm going to be doing is just showing you how to create that mail merge. Once you import your mailing list, a table will open up. Click the OK button to continue. Now let's take a look at the preview results options. As I showed you previously, I have 2 names on the list, therefore it's showing 2 numbers here. I don't have any changes to my list, so now I'm just going to go ahead and finish and merge. When you select the finish and merge, you have the edit individual documents, print documents, and send email messages. I'll proceed by selecting Send Email Messages. Please type in your subject line and then continue. Now we wait for the results. I'm going to go to my emails to confirm that I received that email notification. And as you can see, I received that personalized message. Mail merge can save you time and effort, and it can help you when you're sending personalized documents to multiple recipients. Remember, it saves time. You won't have to type each recipient's name individually, and you only need to proofread the main document.